Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we are going to take a rapid-fire look at what goes into a business plan. Now, there are many business plan templates out there, and some of them are geared for businesses in specific niches. So some of the sections that I'm describing may be called something different in other templates, and other templates may include sections that I'm not listing that are specific to those niches. That's just my little disclaimer. Here are the main sections that will be in most business plans. The cover page. More important than you might think if the plan is going to be read by someone else. If you're in competition for something like a grant or a place in a think tank program, your cover page can determine whether your business plan passes initial scrutiny or not. Table of contents. It's important, but since most word processing software will automatically generate it for you, it's usually not a big deal. The executive summary is exactly what it sounds like. It is often the last thing to be written, even though it appears at the beginning of the business plan. It's just a one-page overview of everything in the document. Then you have the business profile, which includes a description of the business and its legal structure. Management, so who is going to be running the business and what qualifies them to do so. The product or service description, and your long-term objectives. So what do you want to accomplish in the next 5 to 10 years? The marketing plan is very involved. It includes market research, competitive analysis, a profile of your typical customer, and much more. The operations plan describes the day-to-day running of the business, and the financial plan, another key section, lays out the costs and expected revenues in a lot of detail. Then there are addendums that contain additional information and supporting documentation. Next week, we will start talking about these sections in more detail. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.